Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Let's start, guys, with the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start chanting one Inhale. Exhale, release the hands down. Open your eyes. Bring the fingertips either side of your legs. And we start. Right ear, right shoulder, center, left ear, left shoulder without lifting the shoulders up. Let's go. 1, center, 2, center, 3, center, 4, center, 5, center, 6, center, 7, center, 8, center, 9, center, last, and center. Now you will move side to side without lifting the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Full head circle without lifting the shoulders, without dropping the head back. Yes, control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. Opposite direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Final stretch. Chin up, legs and throat. Do not think about dropping the head, okay? Only up. Exhale, chin to chest. 1. Lift. Exhale down. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale, bring the chin to chest. Interlace fingers behind, drop the shoulders away from the ears. Bring the elbows closer together and round. Pull the elbows close to your navel and try to hold 30 seconds. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Take tabletop position. And where you have your hands, you will place the forearms. Yes, elbows under the shoulders. Press the palms down. You're gonna inhale, sink the chest down, meet the scapula, exhale round. The pelvis is in, the core is engaged. I'm not arching. Pelvis in, core engaged, and I only let the chest come down so the scapula come closer together. When I press with the forearms, the scapula separate. I bring the chest in. 10 reps. Inhale when you go down. Exhale when you press it, separate the scapula. The weight has to be forward. I cannot be here. I cannot be too much forward. Shoulder on top of the elbow. 10 reps. Inhale. Guys, wait. I'm already seeing wrong. Eyes on, on your arms, guys. Elbows have to be under, cannot be opening to the sides. Pelvis is already opening for so many of you. The knees have to be under your pelvis. Yes? And now everyone press the forearms. Pelvis in, core engage. And we only sink the chest down. 1. Push. 2. Push. Pelvis in. 3. Shakti, pelvis in. 4. Yes. 5. Priyanka, pelvis in. 6. More weight to the forearms, Priyanka. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Press the forearms, separate the scapula, tuck toes under, and lift the hips up. Hold it. Hold it. Up. Hips up. Extend the legs, hips up to the sky. Open shoulders. Dolphin pose. Hold. Press the forearms. Kingdom, we are in the forearms. Super. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knees down. Very good. Watch me. You will press forearms. Guys, make sure the elbow is under the shoulder. I keep repeating because I keep seeing that so many of you, the either is shifting forward, either is shifting back, or it's constantly shifting. Very few are having this alignment. So check. Yeah, is my elbow under my shoulder? You will know because you will feel. Yes, now we will round the spine fully. Tuck the toes, lift the knees a little bit away from the floor. Knee to chest. Maximum core compression, separate the scapula, knee back. Slow movement and back. Core. Yes, I have to press slowly. I don't want to see this. This is nothing. We move slow. Yes, the scapula have to be away from each other. One minute. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And time is on. Keep the knees low, Sarika. Lila, you're doing opposite of what I said. No going fast. No. Slow exercise, huh? Hunch. Super. Continue, guys. We're halfway. 30 more seconds. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, take chest pose. 15-second rest. Super. Now, watch me. We'll take the blocks, top of the mat on the mid-setting shoulder distance. I walk, walk, walk. Pelvis in, core engaged, and I try to bring the forehead down. Press the hands, hunch, and I try to bring the forehead down. Only this, no arching. Pelvis in. We just want to go a little bit open into the shoulders, yeah? Let's go. 10 reps, and then we hold. 1, 2. Second setting, Leela of the blocks. Second setting, Priyanka. 3, 4. Without arching the lower back. 5, 6. Guys, press against the blocks. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Try to touch forehead down and hold. Snehal, second setting of the block. This is low setting. Guys, hands active, pressing. Don't let the elbows bend. Leela, setting number 2. This is too low. Second setting. Flip the block. Flip the block. Leela, flip the block. To the side. No. Up, up. That's it. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the palms, round up. Release the block. Now, keep the blocks to the side. You will lay down fully. Chin in. Extend the legs. Now release and you will lower one leg while pressing lower back down. Come back center. Lower other leg. We continue like this, moving slow. Nothing is arching. If it's arching, I bring the pelvis in again. Yeah, I don't touch the floor, but I go as slow as I can. 90 degrees. Again, it's a slow exercise. Yeah? 1 minute. Three, 2, 1. Time is on. Pointing the toes. Thirty seconds left. Leela, the legs change at the up center. Huh? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Next one. Lay down, bend the knees, interlace the fingers behind. Knee to elbow, extend the leg. And the same leg that is extended will go up and down. Yes? Slowly. 30 seconds. We will change. Knee to opposite elbow. And the leg will go up and down. Slowly. Again, without touching the spine. Press the lower back down. If the elbow is not touching, it's okay. Crunch as much as you can, guys. It's a side crunch, yeah? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Time is on. Try to go sideways as much as you can. Knee to elbow. Terency crunch, knee to elbow, knee to elbow. 10, 9, same leg, knee the 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change side, guys. It's the same leg for 30 seconds, then change 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Second side. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Release. Very good. Watch me, guys. Sorry. We will lay down. Yes. Knees together, feet together. Extend the arms, lift the chin. Option 1. Full crunch. Option 2 here. Yes, you will lower one leg. Center. Other leg. Center. Yes, you can be here. You can be here. I go slow. And center, touch underneath. Slow, touch underneath. Yes? 1 minute. Three, 2, 1. Time is on, guys. Start. Pragya. Moving slow, Priyanka. Moving slow. Last 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds left. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Now we will all sit down. Take the blocks next to you. Yes. Lift the hips up. Bring one knee to chest. Heel down. Other knee to chest. Heel down. Yes, I'll show you from the floor so you can see because I'm wearing dark color. Bringing the blocks next to your pelvis. Yes. Feet together. Press and lift. The hips are lifted. My bump is not on the floor. Yes. I have to press, hunch. One into the chest, core go pressure. heel down. Second knee, heel down. Yes? 1 minute, guys. It's gonna get tough. We have to present hands. We cannot be here. Hands, pelvis in, core engaged, scapula separated, and hands pressing down. Yeah? Let's go.
Patty, first or second setting? The block?
Second setting block.
Okay.
Ready? Everyone prepared, guys. The legs have to be fully engaged. Yeah, cannot be half that. Engage the leg until the toes. Let's go. Time is on. Moving slow. Moving slow, Sajni. Super. More hands if you can, guys. Separate scapula, pelvis in. Last 30 seconds. You're doing good, guys. Come on, continue, continue. Core compression, knee to chest, maximum. $15 seconds. Knee to chest, knee to chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Very good. Now, just sit that forward fold. Different options. Option 1, you bend the knees, grab opposite elbows under, extend the legs, trying for the belly to reach the thighs. And as you exhale, you extend, forehead down. If this is comfortable, I will, instead of going here, I will lift the arms up. From the pelvis, I go all the way forward. Yes, here I can touch my toes, like flex them towards me, or I can touch the wrist and hold. Yes, I don't want to see this, guys. Bend the knees and take this variation if this is happening. This, you can be here 10 years, no stretch will ever happen to you. Because you're not targeting the legs. That is only the ego. So we kick the ego bye-bye and we go for what works best. Yes, here is fantastic idea. And slowly the hamstrings will give you the space. Slowly the pelvis will give you the space to go all the way down. Now those who are here and you don't feel much the stretch, 1 or 2 blocks under the heels and you hold. Yes? Let's try. 1 minute hold. You don't have to go to your maximum in the first few seconds. Just allow the breath to guide you. But we need to be calm in the breath. Ready? Time is on. Relax the head, Pragya. Salini, relax the head down. Divya, bend the knees. Grab opposite elbows under the knees. Kengam, if this is too easy, feels too easy for you, put blocks under your heels. 1 or 2 blocks. Yes, Pragya. Last 20 seconds, guys. Nidhi, super. Sajni, yes. Shakti, yes. Rima, super. Snehal. Snehal, feet together. Your feet are opening external rotation, huh? Anu, yes. Bend a bit the knees. Yes. Super. And slowly, guys, start coming up. Now, we will go close to the wall. Keep the blocks nearby. 3, 4 fingers away from the wall. That's it. Yes, now, for those who don't know headstand, haven't practiced in a long time, Reminder of the details. We will go forearms down, measure opposite elbows. And then I will interlace the fingers. Yes? Interlace the fingers like this. There is a space. Yes, thumbs up, pinky finger, pressing down to the floor. Yeah? So, you will start here, forearms, interlace, pinky finger to the floor, thumbs up. Now the crown of the head, meaning the flat part. You press the thumb in between eyebrows, and this is the center where everything has to go. Now, this is crown of the head is on the mat, but it's not taking your weight. I repeat, it's not taking your weight. The weight is on your forearms, shoulder structure. So it has to be solid. Yes, you will press the crown of the head down and lift the shoulders away from you. Now, I'll show you what we do in the wall. 4 fingers. I measure, interlace, place the head. The hands are hugging the back of my head. I lift the shoulders and I walk the knees inside. As much as I can, I extend the hips up and continue to walk. I will hold here without going up. 30 seconds. Then immediately down, child's pose. Yes, every time we go into headstand, we will go back first in child's pose and then we lift the head. Yeah, we don't want to get dizzy. We are upside down. We are holding. Yeah, I don't want to come back from the headstand and see this that I see a lot of times. Please, your neck deserves a bit of love. Yeah, be gentle. We only have one neck. We gotta keep it healthy. Yeah? Now, everyone moving slow. Yes, what we want to feel here is the hips coming on top of the shoulders. The forearms have to press against the mat so the weight doesn't come in my head. Some little weight will come, but less than 10% of the total weight. So, imperceptible almost. Yeah? 30 seconds hold without lifting. Just walk close towards your elbows, hips up. You will feel when the hips are on top of the shoulders. Time is on, guys. 30 seconds. Very good, guys. Stay. Shakti, stay. Don't walk more. You are too far now. You are above. You are too far. Don't walk more, Shakti. No, you're too far. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly down. Child's pose, everyone. Child's pose. Salini, child's pose. Child's pose, guys. Super. Now, watch me. We will go for single leg press. Watch me. We will keep one block nearby. 3, 4 fingers away. I go up. Yes? Sorry. You bring them to the block in the hip. Yes? Compression. So I keep it close. I compress here. My ribcage is compressing against the block is compressing against my thigh. Yeah? On the hip, where the hip flexes. Here. Yes? Now, you place it here and go. Keep walking. Yes? Now, this leg will come up straight as much as I can. And I will compress till this happens. Yes? Again, I repeat, you will lift the leg. And as you compress, knee to chest in between the block. You want to find the line. Slowly, you can come down one leg. And then we will go second side. Yes?
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, can we do without block?
No. Later. Try this, guys. Even if you know single leg press, try with the block. It will refine your technique. Those who don't know single leg press without the block, it will help you get the press and the sensations that you have to feel. Yeah? Now, at your own rhythm, you will try 3 times each leg. We are not jumping, we are not jumping. Once I'm up, the upper leg that is straight is going down first, so I need to keep compressing the knee to the chest. The upper leg goes down first. Yes, Shiva. Slowly, Kalpesh, we are not finding balance. Only come up and then the upper leg goes down to the floor. Slowly, slowly, with control. Yes, Meghna. Now the upper leg starts going down. Kengam, yes. Meghna, continue, continue. Control, control, control. Super. Three times each leg, guys. We want to move slow. Anu, keep pressing knee to chest. Lower the upper leg to the floor first. Control the core, control upper leg, your right leg. Anu, your right leg. Yes, 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 yes. Pranya, keep compressing knee to chest. Upper leg lowering. I'm coming, Priyanka.
I'm not getting
Pranya, right leg, start to bring it down. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Priyanka, yes, I'm watching. Snehal is not a jump.
Then how to lift, ma'am?
Coming, Sanji. Priyanka, go. Compress the knee to chest. Right knee to chest, right knee to chest. So where you have the block, you have to think of knee to chest.
Yeah,
It's not simply placing the block here. I have to think of crashing it.
Yeah.
Like a squirrel crashes nuts. Same. Yeah?
I just cannot lift that leg up for some reason.
Core has to be engaged. The leg has to be engaged. Even if it's bent, the leg has to be engaged, meaning the muscles are contracted. Yeah, the press happens when we sustain the engagement of the core as we lift up. But the press needs also strong hip flexors.
Okay.
Hip flexor is attaching upper to lower body. Helps you lift the leg.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try.
Yes? Guys, it's not that every time we try press, the first time it will go. This takes practice in the beginning, nothing lift. If you're lifting press today, it's because you already worked in some other classes and you are not aware of the engagement of the muscles. It's good, it's happening automatically, but don't think that press comes in one day. It doesn't come in one day. Yeah? It takes time and repetition. Let's go, guys. I continue to watch. Don't jump. Guys, Sanji, I'm coming. Don't jump. Compress the knee to chest. Engage the core. Don't jump. Guys, I'm telling you, don't expect the press in the day one. Otherwise, the ego will get in between.
Which leg to lift first?
So the knee that you have with the block, that is compressing against the chest. The other leg, you lift it up. Yes? And then once you have the leg up, the leg will come slowly, slowly, slowly down. But you need to keep the core engaged and the knee pressing to the chest. Otherwise, it will not happen. Snehal, let's go. Without jumping, Snehal. Cool. Yes, yes, yes. And now slowly keep compressing knee to chest. Slow. Hey, that was not slow. The work is in trying to go slow from the top. So we need to keep engaging the core. Sarika? Now keep the knee to chest. It was good, it was good. Just when you are up, you need to control the way down. Sarika, go again. And now slowly, slowly, right leg down. Keep the core engaged. Keep the knee to chest. Slow, 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 slow. Halfway was slow, halfway was not. Slowly. Salini, slowly lower the legs. Slow. Control. Keep compressing knee to chest. Up, up. Lakshmi. Super. And now on the way down, maximum control. Slow, 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 slow. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Divya, that was good. 2. Lakshmi, super, super smooth. Divya, that was also good. I saw your landing. Shakti, adjust the camera so I can see you. If you have blocks, use the blocks, please. Who else? Nidhi? Knee to chest. First the knee to chest. First the knee to chest. Compress. Lift the leg up. Keep compressing. Knee to chest. Knee to chest. Yes, 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 yes. Keep pressing forearms down, Nidhi. And slowly lower the right leg was supposed to lower first. Shakti, let's go. No, Shakti, come down. One knee to chest. Leave the leg up. So if you're going left leg up, right knee to the chest. Yes, so you start walking the feet close towards you. Go, go, go. I will guide you as you go. Press the forearms down. Shoulders away. Now walk close. One knee to chest. One knee to chest. Yes. Now lift the other leg up. Can't see your leg. Now once you're up, start going down slow. Good job. Guys, watch me. Now, we will try without the block. Yes, it's gonna be challenging if it was already challenging before, but give it a go. We need to get used to do this core compression. So different options. Everyone, 3-4 fingers. Some of you are going kissing the wall. No need to kiss the wall because once you're coming up, your hips will be on the wall. We want to try to be parallel to the wall without touching. Yeah, only for emergency. We try to do it without the wall, but super close that we are safe enough. Yeah. So, option 1. You walk close. Yes. One knee to the chest, other knee to the chest. And once you're here, you lift, lift. Slowly, you will bring down the same way and try to go child's pose. I repeat. Yes, one knee to the chest, compress, press the forearms, core engage. And then from here, I try one leg up, other leg up, squeezing the glutes. Find a straight line, and if I can, I go down the same way. Yes? Now, if this is option 1 and you try, you have to try. And this is difficult, you will do again the previous variation with the block. Yes? Otherwise, no option of using the block. Only if you try the first variation and it's an absolute no for today. Okay? Now, option 2, guys. Without the block. You walk close, close, close. Knee to chest. Lean, and start lifting the leg. Now you will slowly go down. Touch. Other leg. Lift. Slowly coming down. Change. If you can do 4 reps, so 2 each side, or 6 reps, 3 each side. Amazing. But I have to touch, and then the other leg. Don't start changing in the air. No. Try like this. Yeah? I'm watching you guys. Try the first variation. Only if it's really, really a no, you will take with the block. Yes, Shiva, control the way up. Super. Rima. Yes, yes, yes. Squeeze the glutes. Control. Hip extension, Rima, hip extension. And now, legs together, knees to touch. Both knees to the chest. Continue, continue, continue. Deep tuck, deep tuck. Start bringing the pelvis low. Softly landing. Pradnya. Pradnya, start coming down. How did you get up? Huh? Show me from the beginning, Pradnya, if you have energy. Huh? Kalpesh, that's very good. Pradnya, good control. Squeeze the glutes or the leg. Maximum control. Hip extension, Pradnya, good. Now start bringing the knees towards the chest. Slowly down. Super. Yes, Meghna. Very good. Lakshmi, one leg at a time. Lift all the way up. No, Lakshmi, you can go with the leg straight, no? From the floor, one knee to chest, leg straight up. Straight up. Sorry. And now, with control, all the way down. Slow, slow, slow. Touch the toes and change leg. Other knee. Super. Very smooth. Priyanka? Press forearms, core engage. Squeeze the glutes and lift the other leg. Hip extension, squeeze the glutes, hip extension. Hips forward, away from the wall. Squeeze the glutes. You're almost in the straight line. Good. And now start bending the knees, legs together. Legs together, yes, slowly. And child's pose. Meghna? Meghna, is it happening? Yes? Good. Slow, slow and control. Super. Rima, careful. Deepika, no jumping. No jumping and not like this, Deepika. Go down. Try the press. Don't jump like this also, please. Press forearms down. One step at a time. Now, one knee to the chest. Compress, compress, yes. Shift, wait a little bit. You need to compress. Press the forearms down. No jumping.
Ma'am.
1 second. 1 second, Divya, coming. Deepika, if this exercise is difficult, do the previous one with the block. There is some core compression missing. Yes, the more you repeat this foundation exercise, the faster it will go. But if you try to jump to a press, it will not work because you need to activate the deep core and it's not getting activated right now. This exercise with the block really helps you. Yeah?
Ma'am,
Divya?
for me, it's not happening with the blocks but happening with normal.
I know, but with you, it's happening opposite. No, don't ask me how. Yeah, maybe if with the block, you feel more things to do, like one more action, you know? As long as it is happening without the block, it's fine. Yeah? Divya? Guys, one more minute and I give you the next one. Yes, Divya? Slowly, slowly, slowly. Super. Shakti, yes. Change at the floor. Once the foot reaches the floor, you're changing leg opposite knee to chest. Now touch Shakti, change leg. When you're yeah. Now opposite leg. Yes, 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 with the leg straight, with the leg straight. Sarika, very good. Pragya, knee to chest. Yes, yes. Point the toes, control, control, control. Up. Pragya, that was very good. The core stopped to get engaged at some point, but you were doing super. Alignment was good. Only point the toes. Go again. Knee to chest. Left knee to chest. Core compression. Huh. Walk closer, walk closer. A little bit more. Huh. Point the toes. Lift the leg higher, higher, higher. Yes. Aye. Super, guys. Watch me. Options 1. Option 1, guys, you will repeat the same exercise. So if you were doing one knee, other knee, up, down, and again, you will repeat the second one. You will try the second one. So knee to chest, I try to lift up, I try to go down, and change. Yes? Now, this is option 1 and 2. In case this one will not work. Now, I will need maybe the blocks, maybe not. Yes? So, I bring the knees on top of the blocks and try to walk my feet on top. On the tippy toes, I try to lift, press the forearms and start lifting both legs together. When I'm up, slowly I open the pelvis a little bit, core compression, core compression, core compression, and I touch. Again, I come. If I try this and it's not happening, I will go back to exercise 1 or exercise 2. Yes? Only if this doesn't work. So if on the previous exercise you were on exercise 1, now you will pick exercise 2. And if you were in exercise 2, you will pick this one. And if you pick this one and it's not happening, you will go 1 exercise back. Yes? We try 4, 5 reps. Yes? Without rushing, guys. I'm watching, I'm correcting. Yes? And most importantly, not in a rush. We need to keep pressing forearms. We cannot let the weight come to the head. Move slow. Yes? Prioritize alignment over the ego. Yeah?
While coming down, it's not that smooth.
Yeah, coming down is more difficult because we are going against gravity. So we really need to be tight on the core, super sharp on the legs in the engagement. Yeah? Everyone trying. Sarika, yes, yes. Squeeze the glutes. Find a straight line. More, more, more. Yes. Now keep the legs engaged. Open pelvis a little bit. Slowly, slowly. Slowly. Yes, Shiva? Super. Kalpesh, yes. Slowly down, Kalpesh. Open the pelvis a little bit. Keep the legs engaged. Yes. Yes. Control. Very good. Pranya? Yes, yes, yes. Extend the knees if you can. Point the toes. Super engagement. Yes, keep pressing, keep pressing. Squeeze the glutes, hip extension. More, more, more. Prani, a little bit more for your straight line. A little bit more. Teeny tiny. Super. Now slowly open the pelvis, lean the hips back. Open pelvis. You have to open pelvis like a pike. Yes, yes, yes. Slow, 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 slow. Super. Sajni, press the hips against the wall if you're doing that. Ideally, we don't want to touch the wall. Divya, yes, but without touching the wall. Try the same without touching the wall. Meghna, squeeze the glutes. Full straight line. Finish the line. The straight line up. Finish the line. Up, 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 up. Continue, continue. Almost. Almost. A little bit more. Good. Now, keeping the legs engaged, open pelvis like in pike. Open a little bit. Yes, start lowering the legs. We think of core compression. Thighs towards the belly. Thighs towards the belly. Legs straight, legs straight. Not in attack, straight. So, for the way down, guys, we need to bring the hips a little bit above. Yeah, the hip level. Those who are confused, the hip is going a little bit above. Has to. Yes? I will show you in the middle of the room. See if you can appreciate it better. Yes? I'm going up. You see my pelvis. Then I'm correcting, squeezing the glutes up. Now to start going down, I cannot just simply do this. I have to open a little bit the pelvis. So I press forearms, open a little bit, and I think of core compression, core compression, core compression, core compression. So imagine when you are up. Yes? The leg, imagine you have a pull here. So it's going down, down, down like this towards the floor. Yes? It's like a string that it wants to attach the leg towards the belly. Yeah? For this, like two magnets. Yeah? We think belly to thigh, belly to thigh. Yes, Divya?
I can't lift my both legs.
It's okay. It takes time. Divya, I was saying, if you cannot lift both of the legs today, try again. One knee to chest, lift, up, down. Yes? The previous exercise.
It happened once, but it's not coming.
It happens once. But that's good. If it can happen once, it can happen twice, no?
Yeah, first round it happened, but now it's not coming.
But now you need to understand, what was I doing in the first round? Maybe it was better alignment. Maybe I was more focused. Yeah, so you try to think of all the cues. Pressing forearms, core engage. Walking as close to you as possible. Snehal, control, control, control. Epa. Snehal, the way down. The way down is failing for you. I think you're using all the energy to come up. If you start coming up and thinking when you're up, how do I go down? Then all that energy is going back like somewhere else. Yeah? You need to decide. Once I go up in the straight line, I need to start coming down slowly. Yes? Don't, guys, we decide what we want to do before we get into the pose, yes or no? Yeah? In my early years of practice for handstand, my teacher was saying, Pati, are you starting to think of what shape you want to go when you are up? That is wrong, no? Because he saw the struggle. He gave 4 options, and on the way up, I decide which option do I take. No. I decide before I lift anything from the floor. I cannot decide halfway if I'm going to go into 1 leg press, 2 leg press. I need to decide before. And I need to visualize what I'm going to do. That's really, really, really helping us because we can't see where we go. If it's 2 leg press, 2 legs press. If it's single leg press, single leg press. Yeah? Super. Guys, last minute.
It was leg engagement for lifting.
The leg engagement. Super. Go, guys. Last minute. Priyanka, go. Yes. Up.
But while coming back, that hip is not with the wall.
Because it's a opening of the pelvis and engagement of the core at the same time, which for the brain seems contradictory because when you open the pelvis, sometimes the core opens as well. We
Yes.
need to keep the core engaged and open the pelvis at the same time and then press the forearms. It's so many actions. Only through the repetition, it will all make sense together. That's why I'm saying press doesn't come in one day. And also 2-leg press, which is more like a pike press, it's not an easy press. Yeah? Leela,
Ma'am,
you want to show? Yes?
once you see me,
Yes, Divya, 1 second. I am watching Leela and I go. No jumping, Leela, no. Epa, no jumping. It's a single leg press. Knee to chest, knee to chest, knee to chest, knee to chest. Leela, wait. Calm down, calm down. Leela, down. You are too far from the wall. So whenever you are about to lose balance, I'm scared for you. You should also be scared because you only have one leg. 2-3 fingers from the wall maximum. Until we have control, then we can go away. Now walk closer, no rush. Leela, no rush. No, knee to chest. That's not your chest. Knee to chest. To your chest. Much better. Engage the core. No. Leela, you are climbing the wall. Core. Now, legs up. Slowly. Squeeze the glutes. Release the wall. Pelvis away. Control. Yes. Now start bending the knees. Keep the core engaged, Leela. Super. Bend the knees to the chest. To go down. Slowly. Control. Continue. Yes, more. No wall. Doesn't exist the wall. Super. Leela. Very good. But don't go again too far from the wall. Because did you see in the first rep that you were doing? You are this far away. Super scary. Because you think the wall is close, but yeah, the wall will stop you, but you will go this direction. Too much. It's almost half meter. Don't go that much, yeah? 3 fingers, guys, it's enough. 2, if we lose the balance, the pelvis goes, and then you can rebalance yourself quickly. If you are too far, trying to rebalance is also difficult. Trying to go back to the center. Yeah? Very good, guys. Let's go for the prayer. I have another class coming. And for the press, guys, is what I'm telling you in any other inversion class. You are interested in press. Every time you go to any class, at the end of the class, 5 reps each leg, 3 reps each leg, whatever you can do. Yeah? You don't need to take some time aside. Do it after your class when you are warm up. Yeah? Go next to the wall, single leg press. 3 reps each leg. 5 reps each leg. Full press. Pike press with both legs. 5 reps. 10 reps. After any Happy Habit class, you have 5 minutes. Do this. Yeah? Because then you build this constant repetition. The next time you go into the press, you go into your headstand, press is coming smoothly. Yeah? Same with the kicks, same with the jumps. Yes, whatever thing you want to improve, as in for entries, if you repeat every day for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, whatever you can do, it will make a significant difference because practicing once a week is not enough. If you want to get this skill, if you just want to have fun in the class, you go into the press. But to solidify the skill, we need constant repetition. And the consistency doesn't need to be 1 hour extra a day for the press. It's just after 1 class, you are warm, you do your 5 minutes extra, and then you continue with your day. Yeah? Super, guys. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience. and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om and 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Leave the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your body through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. Do a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
those who want more for today, Bhagwan's class in the evening, 7 to 8, we'll post in shoulder opening. Yeah. Otherwise, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.